Hey guys, we're just looking at the cleanup and saving. So for the cleanup, if I click on a layer, I'm going to come into name, and this one should have been my background. So now it's easy to tell. And then layer 4, I want to rename that one as well, and we want to call that one shadow. So now, then this is what we used. Let's rename this as well. And let's call this one Coke can. And now it makes sense. You can see my text is here, the Coke can, and then we have the shadow. We didn't need this black one anymore, but we'll leave it in there. And this is the final version. So to save, I click File, and I'm going to click Save. Keep it as a JPEG. I like to keep the quality high, and then just click Download. And once you do that, you now have your file, which will show up right at the bottom like that. So I can hit Close, and then not only did I save it, but it is also, if I click Home, you can see mine is still open and I still have it right here. So that's the cleanup and organization and how to save those as well. Enjoy.